Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to unlink email address from Wuthering Waves. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to unlink your email address and Wuthering Waves. Currently, the game doesn't allow direct email unlinks, so the only option is to delete the account associated with that email. Start by logging into the Wuthering Waves account you want to remove. Navigate to Settings, then Account Settings, select User Center followed by Other. Here, choose Delete Account and follow the prompts to confirm. Keep in mind, the deletion process takes up to 30 days, and logging in during this period will reset the countdown. Once fully deleted, your email should be free from the account, allowing you to register a new one. Although this is unofficially confirmed, patience is key, and this is currently the only method to free your email from Wuthering Waves. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.